Take a careful look at this house. Can you see how beautiful, clean, and sparkling the rooms are? I would like to live in a house like this. I'm sure you would too, right? But guess what? This house isn't just looking clean by itself. It is sparkling because people clean, arrange, and maintain it from time to time. This cleaning, arranging, and more are referred to as maintenance. Every house needs maintenance to continue to function properly. Maintenance of the house involves keeping the functional rooms in the house and all household equipment and tools in a constant state of cleanliness and good condition. Now, why do we have to do so much to maintain our houses? This is because maintenance makes the house germ-free and neat. Regular care and maintenance of the house promotes good health for the family and prolongs the lifespan of the household materials. More so, it takes less time to maintain than to clean very dirty articles. Let us quickly talk about one of the most important things we need to maintain every part of the house. I'm talking about cleaning agents. Cleaning agents are substances used in removing dirt and stains from the household equipment. They make cleaning fast, easy, and effective. These cleaning agents are in classes. Solvents are substances which remove dirt. Soaps and detergents aid the removal of grease and dirt. Alkaline cleaners combine easily with grease and dirt to reduce the amount of rubbing needed for cleaning, e.g. borax, washing soda, household ammonia. Acidic cleaners remove tarnish or rust from a metal such as copper, e.g. vinegar, lemon, or lime juice. Wax and polishes are used to protect surfaces and improve appearance, e.g. cream wax, liquid wax, floor polish, furniture polish, etc. Bleaches are used for removing stubborn stains and for whitening articles, e.g. jig, hypo, etc. Now that we have seen what cleaning agents are, now let's take a look at cleaning equipment and tools. Here we have brooms and brushes that are used for sweeping and removing surface dirt and dust. Dusters are used to gather and remove dust from surfaces. Mops are attached to a long or short handle and used for cleaning the floor. Dustpans are used for gathering dust and dirt. Dustbins are used for disposing of refuse. Buckets and pails are used to fetch water for cleaning. Carpet sweeper is used to removing surface dust and dirt from carpets and rugs. Vacuum cleaner is an electrical labor-saving device for removing dust and dirt from carpets and rugs. It is a major cleaning equipment. Don't forget that these equipment and tools also need to be maintained, so we need to wash, rinse, dry, and keep them properly after every use. Now, let's take some guidelines for maintaining the house. Set time for daily, weekly, and seasonal cleaning of the house always. Make use of appropriate cleaning agents or material for a particular surface. In conclusion, cleaning agents and materials should be kept out of the reach of children, and household waste should be properly disposed of on a daily basis. I hope you've enjoyed the class as much as I did. Take care, guys, and see you next time. Bye.